Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a short video on how I make my stickers for my Etsy shop and my website. So stick around and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay you guys, first you're gonna go to your designcricut.com, then you upload a circle. Once you have the circle, then you are gonna download your picture, whichever picture you want to put inside your circle. In this case it's gonna be my logo, so then I just center it the way that I like. Then after that you're gonna make a text, which it will be what you want it to say. In this case I want it to say thank you, and I will put the thank you in there in the bottom, center the word, and maybe make this a little big. It is important that you put a circle on the back because once you transfer it, it will get cut. So when you cut it, you want it to be big enough so it can be good for what you need it, if that makes sense. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Alright, once you have it, then you're gonna group it all together, attach. Then after you attach it, you're gonna flatten. If you see this right here, I'm sorry, this one right here and this bottom, you will see what it says: build, detach, and flatten. You're gonna click flatten. Then it will flatten the whole image, and then after that you can adjust it to the size you want it to be. For me, it works always better when it's around 1.6, 1.5 to 1.528. So once you have it all together like this, then what I do is I make 4 of them and a line like this. Once you have 4 of them like this, then you can go to make it, and then once you go and make it, then you can just add however many copies you want of it. I'm gonna put 3, even though it's gonna be more than one. It can fit on one, and you can see that it's gonna tell me that I have 2 mats, like right here. I have 2, but I'm just gonna print 1 anyway because 1 is a good size. So then I click continue, then I send it to the printer. Once it's on the printer, it's up to you if you want to add the bleeding. I personally don't do the bleeding. I don't really need it, so I don't put it on. Then I click print, then it will go to my printer. Once it's on the printer, then I'll get to put it on the Cricut. So there you go guys, that's how I made my stickers. I will make a wreath next week, so if you would like to come back, I would love to have you. And please let me know if you would like me to make anything in particular, and please like and subscribe. I would like to have you next week, and all the other people that you know, please send them my way. Thank you, see you next time.